With all of these new proposals surrounding Terra Luna Classic right now, talking about reducing burn taxes, talking about increasing developers' funds, talking about allocating all of this money to different places, it is very confusing, but it shows that people are focused on the future of rebuilding the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, and as such, we're seeing a very volatile movement in USTC, or the Terra Luna Classic stablecoin, that is out there right now. And I want to talk a little bit about that in this video because, you see the hype surrounding it. You see people saying it's going to return to $1 before you know it. And yes, it absolutely could, right? That is the goal. But is it just going to jump there overnight? Like, what's that time frame look like? And why will it eventually go back to $1? We're going to discuss this. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you want a crypto-exclusive exchange where you can buy and sell Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin in the description, and they offer rewards for the more active trader. So if you guys are very active traders, you can get a lot of rewards on the KuCoin platform, and then International Binance is down there as well, and we know that International Binance is supporting Terra Luna Classic burns right now, so if you guys are an international user and would like to use that, absolutely. So let's discuss the volatility that we're seeing in USTC, sorry, and how it relates to Terra Luna Classic and what it all means, because it's interesting to see one coin like USTC moving in anticipation of what Terra Luna Classic will do. Now, we all know, or should know by now, that the entire purpose of rebuilding the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and bringing utility back to the blockchain is either revitalizing USTC or creating a new algorithmically fungible coin that is pegged to $1 price point by the algorithm and eventually partially collateralized by either Bitcoin reserves or another cryptocurrency reserves. So a couple different roadmaps and so on that we've seen have come and gone, but what we've got right now from the Terra Rebels is that we will eventually assess the burn tax. Now, I don't think that, these new proposals are the Terra Rebels currently assessing the burn tax and whether or not they're working. According to the roadmap, that was going to happen a little further down the road than 18 days after the initial burns began. So it is interesting to see, the Terra Rebels and other people coming up with these new proposals and new ideas so quickly here. A little bit of patience goes a long way, but the goal is to reach that collateralized, algorithmically fungible coin. And that is what is driving the price of USTC higher. People are anticipating the move. Now, what does this anticipation mean? If the Terra Luna Classic blockchain is successful, if the lunatics that are out there in this world are able to rebuild the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, USTC will soar in value. It's our utility token. It's what's going to bring utility back to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and will be pegged at $1. Now, there's two different types of people out there. Some people will be buying USTC and shooting the price higher in order to get in now and then make the 20x gains, riding it back up to $1 because they truly believe that the lunatics will be successful in repegging the coin and rebuilding the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Now, there's another group of people that take advantage of this type of volatility. The traders that are out there see that you can hit 100%, 200% gains in a very short period of time, like we just saw. And even today, a 20% move to the downside in USTC is evident that people are selling off. And I don't think that it's everybody. I don't think that it's those that believe that, the Terra Luna Classic blockchain will be revitalized and USTC will once again be pegged to $1. It's the people who are here for quick gains. And I'm going to tell you, there's nothing wrong with it. We need those types of transactions. Those types of transactions are what creates volume. If everybody simply only ever held, we would never have volume. We would never have utility. We would never have these burn taxes that are able to work and reduce supply. So we do need this type of activity on blockchains for the blockchain to survive in the first place. But nonetheless, it is hard to watch a coin run up 200% in value and then all of a sudden drop off 20% very quickly, going from 6 cents per coin back down to 4.5 cents per coin in a one-day period. It is tough to watch that. I do agree. But nonetheless, you have to look at the reasons why coins are moving, okay? And if you've learned anything over the last couple of years in cryptocurrency, some moves are speculative. Some moves are fundamentally driven. Now, this is an interesting combination that you've got going on in USTC here, because it is speculating that the Terra Luna Classic blockchain will be rebuilt. However, it is fundamentally driven because we are making progress. Guys, the burns are working. We're moving forward, yes, at a slow pace. I get it. Slow and steady wins the race, however. So it's on the horizon. And although it's speculative in nature, believing that we will achieve and accomplish our goals, people are investing in those goals. And that's why you see the price moving higher right now. So can it sustain these moves? If and only if Terra Luna Classic is successful. If USTC is successful, that means Terra Luna Classic is successful. If Terra Luna Classic is successful, that means USTC will be successful. So it's both of them, one in each hand. However you want to look at it, they do go hand in hand. And the fact that we've got a lot of eyes on both of these coins right now is absolutely phenomenal. So I want to know what you guys think. I mean, you guys, I believe it. Okay, if we don't give up, the only way that we can destroy the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and the only way we lose is if we give up. And I think that's a possibility, right? I'm not going to sit here and lie to anybody. I do think that people do give up every day. But if we don't give up, we are going to be a part of something that is absolutely historic. So I want to know what you guys think. Be honest. Down in the comments below, do you think that we are successful in rebuilding the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and having a historic comeback? Let us know down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.